In today's video, I'll talk about the tips which will make your resume stand out. This video will surely help you all getting more interview calls by considering these points or tips while writing your resume. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The points I consider which landed me to the dream job I ever wanted, I'm going to share with you all today. Being in corporate world for so long and changing jobs fewer time in India and abroad by now, I know the importance of resume while applying for a job. I am going to share best resources, tips, tricks further, so make sure not to miss it in any moment. If you are facing any issues regarding your resume, comment down below. Would be happy to help you with it. So without further ado, let's begin. So my first step here is mirroring resume to your industry and the job you are applying for. Understanding of the job requirement is very important. Before you begin creating your resume or sending out to any employer, I would urge you to review the job description thoroughly and the company website pertaining to your skill. If you do have already the matched experience, then take careful consideration when determining what you plan to include. Focus on the company's culture and requirement and what's expected of you in this role. Look at the job description and ask yourself if you have the same duties, experience and qualification which is the employer demanded for. Now if you don't have, then check with yourself whether applying for this job will be appropriate or not. Maybe you can consider as per the market needs to upgrade your skill by staying at the current job and growing knowledge on the skills that employers are looking for. Upgrading self on the demanded technology or skill or as per the market needs is very important aspect, and that needs to be considered before applying for any job. It gives you exposure and opens up many doors towards your job search. So the second point here is keep your summary very precise and informative. I usually keep my summary section at the top with the information and keyword as per the job description. This is the first section of the resume which potential customer will see. So you should be very much careful about the description you are entering there. It should be highlighted with all the bullet points and the keyword which employer are looking for. Also, it should emphasize your technical background, not the soft skills. For example, if you are applying for a software job, like I am from that field, so talking about that, the first point would be having this much of experience in so and so things. And the second point would be possess strong knowledge acquisition in with your technologies experience. These words will emphasize your technical background and employer will see that you have the exact experience whatever they are looking for. This point I mentioned is just accounting software systems, but I want to tell you is you need to include the tech core skill you are really good at. Anything that is your core skill, software related or a language you know or skill you are master at, pointing out those right at the beginning of your resume, that would be very important. Next tip here is highlight the keyword and use them. This is the key point to consider in your resume. While you are writing your work experience and describing your job description in your resume, that time you should look at the job description in detail and note down all the keyword or buzzword that the job is asking for, and then match them to your resume. Start to formulate the sentences with that the job description is about. When the hiring manager sees the resume, they can clearly figure out the resume is totally matched for the job as per the required role. Talk as per the hiring manager language, not on your own, and describe the statement using the buzzword and keyword mentioned in the job description. Use bullets instead of paragraphs. Using bullets in your resume is much more effective than paragraphs. Writing together your job duties and lumping together your sentences makes the resume complicated to understand for the recruiter. Understand this, the hiring manager of the employer scan your resume and doesn't go through each line of it. What that means is you need to include clear, simple and concise bullet points that are detailed enough and describe your experience relevant to the role. Articulate, reflect and accomplishment. This is all about your accomplishment and experiences. This is the place where I find a key to really standing out from other candidates in a job search process. Reflecting actual accomplishment is very important and key role in the resume. So make sure that reflect all the recent and past accomplishment you have achieved so far. And accomplishment can be anything where you have saved money, saved time, improved some processes or improved profitability for the organization or your department or your unit. It can be anything that help your company, unit or department to gain profit out of it or resolve any critical or client issues. Make sure to think thoroughly about each accomplishment you have got in your roles. So this is what you need to consider while thinking and writing about accomplishment. Each accomplishment attaching to a project or role, making the hiring manager understand your work more clearly. As the hiring manager doesn't know about the specific task you have done like years ago or just in recent times, so it's very important to attach each accomplishment with the role you have achieved so far. Here I want to highlight is to be more clear, precise and informative with the sentences you are making. Like a clear view of the project, then what timeline you have worked on it and the roles and responsibility and accomplishment you have on specific project. This will give the hiring manager a lot more context as to where and when you have worked and achieved that accomplishment. The next and very important tip here is be transparent with your dates. Usually people indicate year with respect to the job title in the resume. But what I suggest here you to include is the month with the year in the resume. Like if you have worked as an accountant from 2012 to 2014, then it's really not clear for the hiring manager that you are whole 2 years in that role or only maybe 1 year or 1.5 years or 1.6 maybe, and then they think that there is something is not transparent for them. Instead what I do is I write the month with this like March 2012 to May 2014, which is very much clear to understand how many months or year I was associated with the role. And also if there is any gap, be transparent with it and be prepared your answer to present in front of the interview, but be true and honest with whatever you present. This will show the honesty towards the company and also they will get an impression that you are not hiding anything from them. You have learned some highlighted points to consider to make resume stand out. Now I am sharing few resources where you can find plenty of free resume samples to create your own resume considering these points. First resource here is freeresumes.com. This site has variety of free resume samples to download, starting from modern to simple category, as per your like and need. You can choose your template and hit the download button and you will get your template ready. This has variety of category you can select and work on your resume. Second resource here is Canva. This is the site you can get many a free resume to work on as per the current standard. Canva is my recent fave on the go. So much creativity you can do in this site. You just have to search for resume in the home page and you will get many out of it. Modify as per the need and your resume will be ready. Ultimately, my point here is to keep your resume simple, informative rather complicated. Don't mention the acronyms that others don't understand. Mention clear description of the project that you worked on, that you are proud of, and simply describe what the project is about and what you have achieved, the issue you have solved, and how did you achieve that. This will reflect the simple and clear vision what you have worked on. Make it clear to the point and simple. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and comment below. Share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.